Plug-in hybrids, PHEVs, have larger batteries that can be recharged using an external power source, allowing longer all-electric driving ranges. Hybrid cars are the perfect balance between gasoline reliability and electric efficiency. The hybrid system uses advanced technology to seamlessly manage power flow between the gasoline engine and the electric motor. Here's how it works. At low speeds, the car runs primarily on the electric motor, using energy stored in the battery. During acceleration, the gasoline engine activates to provide extra power, assisted by the electric motor. At high speeds, the car mainly relies on the gasoline engine for sustained power. Regenerative braking. When the driver brakes, the electric motor acts as a generator, capturing energy and sending it back to recharge the battery. This system allows hybrid cars to deliver excellent fuel economy and reduced emissions, especially in city driving where stop-and-go traffic enables frequent, regenerative braking. Hybrid technology intelligently blends two power sources for efficiency, performance, and lower fuel use. Hybrid cars contribute significantly to environmental protection. Their key benefits include reduced emissions. Hybrid cars emit 25 to 35% less CO2 than traditional vehicles, helping fight climate change. Better fuel efficiency. Using both electric and gasoline power, hybrids consume less fuel, reducing dependency on fossil fuels. Lower air pollution. With fewer exhaust emissions, hybrids help reduce urban air pollution and improve air quality. Noise reduction. Electric motors run quietly, especially during low-speed driving, minimizing noise pollution in crowded cities. By cutting emissions and fuel use, hybrid cars are paving the way for a cleaner, greener planet.